Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a part of my day as a mobile locksmith in Los Angeles. Stay tuned.
Locksmith services.
Yes, hi. I think we got disconnected. Do you guys know when the guy's coming?
Yes, I tried to call you, but
Yeah.
no one answered.
Maybe the guy had his earphones on.
I see. So let me just a second. This is for Marcel for car lockout 2015 Toyota Prius.
Yeah.
Okay, and what happened? She lost all the keys, or?
Are you the technician?
Yes, I'm the technician. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. I'm glad you called. No, so here I am. My long story. I'm in the laundromat, and my battery is not the best. So what happened was, I was going in to go my clothes in the dryer. I thought I had the keys on me. I hit the switch. I locked it. The keys are in the car right there, and my phone too. This is not even my. Yeah, I just need you to open it up. I'm good. I just need. Yeah, because the battery. Usually when you close the door, it's not supposed to lock, but it's not registering the battery. So like when I hit the lock and I closed the door, it closed.
I see. And the address is the address.
Yeah, that's right. It's right in front. That's the fish place. I'm parked in the parking lot.
Okay. Yeah, I can be there probably in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So what are you gonna do? You just go in there? You jimmy the thing, or what? How do you get in there? They have the driver door. Yeah, the driver's side has a door. So like, usually now when I get in there, you know how to get it open, huh?
Yeah. Don't worry.
Okay. All right. I'm here. Yeah, but
okay.
So like I said, this is not my phone, so maybe the guy didn't answer. But
I will see you.
Go anywhere. I'm right here. So you'll be here about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
What car?
I'm in a white van. I'm in a white van.
Yeah, when you pull up in the lot, I'll see you. I'm looking right out the door.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, all right.
Bye-bye.
They called. It's okay. They said they're coming.
We are heading to the customer. We should be there in about 20 minutes. Just to let you know guys, if you are looking for a side hustle, that can be a great way to make extra money. The car lockout services, it's pretty simple. It takes about maybe 5 minutes once you get there, and especially if you in busy areas, you can do 4 or 5 of those a day and you should be good for the day. Hi, how you doing? Well, that's why we're here. Yeah. This is the one?
Yeah, it says the key is there, but
where is it exactly? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a couple of minutes. I will open it, and then how would you like to pay?
Cash.
Sounds good. Okay, definitely. Sure. Just make sure the kid's over there. You got the key? Definitely. You need a change or? Okay, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Take care.